Yo, what's up traders? Today I want to share yet again my 1RR strat. I've got some more data. People in my Discord are almost passing like challenges with them. Very close right now. He's in the last trade for it. As you can see, he's making some serious money on the 100 and 200k accounts. He's done a lot of testings showing that it's definitely a profitable strategy. And yeah, I made two trades today. Both of them were winners. So I just wanted to go through them and give you an idea of the strategy, see if you like it. And yeah, if you like this sort of content, leaving a like, subscribe, and comment is very much appreciated. And also, yeah, feel free to join the Discord. I'm always there just chatting with you guys. And yeah, you meet some like minded people and potentially learn a thing or two and make the road a little bit less lonely, right? So I took two trades. One is Euro USD. Basically, how the strat works is basically what you do is you wait for a really big candlestick, like an engulfing candlestick that at least like engulfs a few candles. Like as you can see here, this very bearish one on the 1 hour time frame, it engulfed 1, 2, 3, close below this one, 4, 5. Like it's a very big bearish candle. So I was like, okay, this one qualifies for me. All you do is what I did is make my Fibonacci retracement only have three levels. So the 1, the 0 0.5, and the 0. So what you do is you mark up the candlestick from top to bottom, like all the way, like including the wicks. And basically all you do is wait for price to taps into the 0 0.5 level and you enter. You don't even really need to wait for rejection candlesticks or all that sort of stuff. You can do, might improve the win rate. I haven't tested it enough to tell you if that's true, but I would imagine having like sort of a rejection candlestick will probably higher the win rate. But even without waiting for it, I just set like sell orders beforehand so I can just go along with my day. And yeah, if it hits, it hits. If it doesn't, it doesn't. Also, you just don't enter if price doesn't retrace to it. So yeah, so let's go into this trade. So let's go to like the 15-minute time frame, see if we get tapped in on it. And yes, we did. So we were in the trade from that point onwards. The TP I had at 1.2 because he tested, like I just showed you, he tested that the 1.2 risk reward ratio is actually better, and he traded like a lot of data. So I was like, all right, let's just try it out. So I went for 1.2 instead of 1RR. Um, and yeah, we were still in the trade at that point, and then it suddenly bounced all the way down. So we hit our TP on that one. And then on usdjpy, we basically did the same thing where we sort of waited for a big candlestick. We had this massive engulfing bullish candlestick engulfing the last two, but it's on the 4 hour, so that's a pretty strong signal. So I entered and yet again like a position waiting for the 0 0.5 level to be tapped. So I drew it up top to bottom, waited for it to hit. So let's just go to the whatever 30 minutes, 15 minutes, just to make it like show it cleanly. So it got tapped in just barely, as you can see. It happens very often. As soon as you sort of start trading the strategy, you notice it, that it happens a lot. We just talked about it as well, and it hit TP. Very fast little trade. I don't think it took that long. I think it only took like 1 hour. As you can see, like it tapped in and it instantly sort of, or maybe 2 hours, and it instantly went. Like what we just talked about, it's like magic. I can't help seeing it all over the charts now. Like I have the same. So those are the two trades I'm in right now. And for instance, I also set up a sell order for live. So can I cancel this sort of thing? Well, it didn't. What I basically did was I liked this candlestick, the big one again, or it was on the half hour. Let's see. Um, it's on the 1 hour. No, it was this one. The half hour candlestick. I really like this big engulfing bearish one. So I entered another sell order. It didn't hit yet, so I'm not in the position. I'm not sure, like I will look what I will do. Maybe I'll delete the position because if it takes like a long time, I don't think it's really valid anymore. But yeah, I basically just wanted to share this strategy with you guys. Hopefully you like it. You seem to like the simpler strategies. So yeah, that's basically it for this video. If you have any questions or whatever, let me know in the comments. And yeah, I also changed my chart around a little bit, having the colors changed again. I had it very grayish and stuff, but I really like this now. That's just a sidetrack. Well, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you like this sort of content. Leaving a like, comment is all very much appreciated. And again, join the Discord if you want to make the road feel a little bit less lonely. All right, thanks so much, and I'll hopefully see you in the next one. Bye bye.